So friends, one of the integral part of astrological analysis is studying the whole Panchang. Like the way many people, when it comes down to choosing their favorite chosen god, Isht Devata, for the bhakti, for the upasana, they emphasize more on the moon nakshatra. So that's very true. But when it comes down to any flaws in your personality, especially if you want to become more efficient with your personality traits, I always give emphasis more on the tithi on which you are born. So one of the tithi, like for example, if you are born on a Dvitiya tithi, like this could be whether moon was waxing or waning, like Shukla Paksh or Krishna Paksh. But if you are born on a second tithi, Dvitiya tithi, so generally the traits which comes to someone's personality is that, the work ethics, the way these people do the job or do the work, you will always find some sort of like lacking the precision or the perfection over there. And just because someone born on this tithi, and let's say for example if like Mars and Venus are conjunct in the chart and the overall constitution of the chart is making person sensual, so this can also give uncontrollable desire towards like opposite sex as well, or based on your sexual preference. So, and generally I have also seen like if these people, whatever task they do, if they do it with overconfidence without giving attention to the details, so even if the task has been done with a good intent, later on eventually it brings them more criticism, because you know the god which is connected with this tithi is the creator god, which is the Brahmadev. So now comes the question that what you can do as a part of the remedy if you're born on this tithi and these flaws are there in your personality. So generally it has been seen that like contributing to any construction project, like for example if there is a religious temple is being constructed, or any like vocational like institution is being formed, educational institution is being constructed by the government, you can contribute in whichever capacity you can like do. We generally recommend that tree plantation, creativity, creating a life. So tree plantation is one of the best remedy for people who are born on the Dvitiya tithi. And generally we say if you see someone, a female who is pregnant, so being very respectful to her, to a pregnant female, pregnant woman, and also like being very respectful and like honoring, respecting the intellectual people, actually act as a good remedy for people who are born on a Dvitiya tithi.